Temple University is a place filled with academic resources, brilliant minds, and diverse students, all focused on the future. But where do these students go once the exams are taken and the papers are written? The Main Campus Program Board is an organization that allows Temple students to come together and create an atmosphere that everyone wishes to take part in.
Main Campus Program Board, we get our funding, our money from the general activities fee. A portion of that money is something that every student pays, and a portion of that money goes toward Main Campus Program Board. And basically, we plan the major events.
We are the driving force to the student body. If there wasn't any program board, there wouldn't be homecoming, there wouldn't be spring fling, there wouldn't be welcome week, and it wouldn't be the biggest events that happen on campus. So without us, the student body life would be kind of non-existent.
Nice weather is fast approaching, and so is one of the Main Campus Program Board's biggest events, Spring Fling. This year's Spring Fling is even more important because it is Temple University's 125th anniversary.
The real big deal at Spring Fling is true life. That's the theme. Like, true life, I'm a Greek. True life, I'm a Temple student. True life, I'm an athlete.
Along with my co-chair and the University Events Committee from Main Campus Program Board, and with the biggest help from student activities, we basically plan a lot of fun events that are going to go down.
Spring Fling is one of the biggest events that happen at Temple University. It should be homecoming, but Spring Fling, just because it's nice weather, there are a lot of students outside, there's a lot of food, it brings a lot of people together. So I think it's one of the biggest events, and we're trying to make it really huge this year. Going off of the 125th theme.
For 125, we wanted it bigger than what it is right now. I know you see the flags all over, envelopes, they have the 125 for Temple, but what we're doing is having a birthday party for Temple on the Friday with a big cake and games.
Temple University, and we get to celebrate our school.
The Main Campus Program Board would be nothing today without the involvement of Temple students. Members of the group encourage everyone to get involved with making student life here at Temple the best it can be.
It's your campus. You should have what you want done. Like, if you want a pool party, you should come and say, I want a pool party.
Just being around diverse people is definitely something that I got out of it. It's been a very intellectual experience, and I feel like I've gained a lot from it.
I think that I would take more so the things I've learned outside the classroom with me for the future rather than the things I've learned inside the classroom. So I think it's a really important thing to allow people to get involved. It helps you with your leadership skills, helps you with getting jobs in the future. There's so many things that you can get from it after your 4 years of being here at Temple.